There's been an increase in activity.
Check my fucking camera to see if there's a fucking ghost
There's
orb.
no ghost orb. It's just a bunch of naked bitches fucking. Thick ass Latina bitches covered in hot Cheeto dust.
Everybody, what the fuck is going on? Welcome back to Cooking with Bird Martinez. The one, the only Bird motherfucking Martinez, bitch. So, before we start the video,
Like chicken, bitch. The chicken for that.
anyways, so you could use whatever you want, but I use my hand. Anyways, you're supposed to see this part. Chinga su madre, this is what it is. Anyways, pero Sofia. Anyways, bomb skis, motherfuckers. But anyways, YouTube and chill, or HBO and shit on chill. Anyways, thank you for watching. Thank you for rocking with little old me. You rock with me, I rock with you. You fuck with me, guess what, bitch? I fucks with you too. Anyways, shout out to all my bird gang, motherfuckers. Yeah, already the cabbage is getting like remixed. Like all up in there.